Hey there, everyone, and welcome back to the Hilltop Life. We've been quite busy thrifting for DIY projects, keeping our garden thriving, and we might have even grown a little bit since our last video, but not in the garden kind of way. Yes, our new chicks are stealing the spotlight, and we've got one proud mom of 7. Thank you so much for joining us today on the Hilltop Life. We've got all kinds of DIY projects and a few surprises ahead that we're thrilled to share with you. So join us next time for more homestead excitement and DIY projects.